Understanding diverting downstream. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, diverting downstream. This expression is not just about rivers or water but can also be a powerful metaphor in various contexts. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone looking to enrich your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's explore what makes this phrase so special and how you can use it effectively in your communication. Diverting downstream literally refers to the process of changing the direction of water in a river or stream so that it flows in a different course. The word diverting implies a change in direction, while downstream indicates the direction of the water's flow, typically towards the sea or ocean. This concept is commonly used in water management, where rivers might be diverted for irrigation, flood prevention, or other purposes. Metaphorically, diverting downstream can be used to describe situations where efforts, attention, or resources are redirected towards a different, often easier or more beneficial, path. It's about going with the flow or choosing a course of action that aligns with the path of least resistance. For example, if a business decides to stop pursuing a challenging market and instead focuses on a more welcoming one, they are diverting their efforts downstream. To help you understand how to use diverting downstream in various contexts, here are a few examples. 1. After hitting multiple obstacles, the project team considered diverting their efforts downstream to achieve their goals more smoothly. 2. The river's course was diverting downstream, bypassing the village and preventing the anticipated flood. 3. Instead of confronting the problem head-on, they opted for diverting downstream, seeking an alternative solution that was less confrontational. We hope this exploration of diverting downstream has been enlightening. Whether it's the literal diversion of water or the strategic redirection of efforts in life or business, understanding this phrase can add depth to your communication. Remember, sometimes going with the flow, or diverting downstream, can lead to unexpected successes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful videos on English language learning. Stay curious, and keep learning.